Guys, it's me, Gmail. So here the top 5 LG Q7 case. The number 50 is from the QG, a simple, beautiful looking case for less than $7. It is a flip case. The number four is from the MYLB, a simple, beautiful bumper style case for less than $8. The number three is from the S Smart. This bumper quality is quite better than the MYLB. Personally, I like this brand more, but I like the really very gorgeous looking navy blue color. The number two is from the Answer LG Q7 case for $12, a little bit expensive than the other case on the list, but still a beautiful looking case. The number two is one of my favorite simple crystal clear case, a simple crystal clear TPU soft gel case. The number one, the best of the best case is from the Silico. Look at that, this is a beautiful looking wall style case again. All of the links are in the description box. It was me, G Magic. Don't forget to subscribe and bye.